One man, 30 accents. Let's go. Hello, I am an American. This is my accent. Howdy there, I'm a cowboy. This is my accent. Hey, how's it doing? Yeah, from New York. This is my accent. You got a problem with it? Hi, what you got going on over there? I'm from Boston. This is my accent. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I am from Canada, and this is my accent. Yeah, we're doing real good up here, just so you know. Alright, you have a good day now. Yeah, bye. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? Hello, I'm British. This is my British accent. Yes. Hello, this is my Cockney British accent, alright? Hey, you had enough? Alright, get out of my sight. Hello, how are you doing? Alright, this is my Scottish accent. Alright, you better get the f*** out of here, you little bastard, alright? I don't have time for you. Get the hell out. Hello there. This is my Irish accent. You might well think I'm a leprechaun, but I'm not. That's a harmful stereotype. Hello, I am a Frenchman. Yes, I talk with a French accent. And we love brigades here in France. So if you can just leave me be, we shall be fine. Hello, I am German. This is my German accent. We like Wiener Schnitzel and also radical authoritarianism. Hello, I am from Spain. This is my Spanish accent. Now, what do we eat in Spain? Do we eat Spanish food? I don't know. Nobody here knows. We don't know what we eat. It's kind of a problem. Yes, I am Swedish. This is my Swedish accent. I can talk to you a lot about things, but it might get kind of annoying because I keep elongating certain parts of words. How you doing there, mate? Alright, I'm Australian, so this is my Australian accent. We like to do things nice and deep out back. Hello. Yes, I am Russian. This is my Russian accent. It technically qualifies for anything in Eastern Europe, really. So, yeah, I cover all my bases. Meow, 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 meow. Hey bro, what's up? I'm like California Valley, so yeah, just come out here, come surfing, whatever you want, bro. Let's do it. Something caught my throat. Sorry.